Before we begin, I would like to warmly welcome all of you to this channel and sincerely thank you for spending your valuable time with us today. By watching this video, you are taking an important step toward improving your English speaking skills and building a better future for yourself. This video will help you in many valuable ways. You will improve your English listening skills through simple and clear English. You will learn useful vocabulary and daily expressions. You will practice pronunciation and speaking confidence. And most importantly, you will understand how to become fluent in English step by step without fear. So this is not just an English lesson. This is also a guide to confidence, discipline, communication, and personal growth. Now relax your mind, stay focused, and let's begin. Today, we are going to talk about an important topic: how to master English speaking. Many people dream of speaking English fluently. They want to speak confidently in school, at work, during travel, or with international friends. But many learners also feel nervous. Some people think, my pronunciation is bad. I do not know enough vocabulary. I am afraid of making mistakes. If you feel this way, don't worry. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Nobody becomes fluent overnight. Fluency is built slowly through daily practice, patience, and confidence. Now let's practice some English sentences together. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. I improve my English every day. I speak with confidence. I am not afraid of mistakes. I become fluent step by step. Very good. Now let's discuss the first secret to mastering English speaking: listening carefully. Good speakers are usually good listeners. When you listen to English regularly, your brain slowly becomes familiar with pronunciation, sentence patterns, and natural expressions. You can listen to English videos, podcasts, movies, songs, or motivational speeches. At first, you may not understand everything. That is normal. The important thing is consistency. The more you listen, the more natural English becomes in your mind. Now repeat after me. I listen carefully every day. I learn through listening. My English improves naturally. Excellent. Now let's talk about speaking practice. Many learners wait too long before speaking. They think, I will speak after my English becomes perfect. But perfect English comes through practice, not before practice. You must start speaking now, even if your English is simple. Simple English spoken confidently is better than silence. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. A child learns to walk by falling many times. In the same way, you learn English by practicing and correcting mistakes. Now repeat after me loudly and confidently. I speak without fear. Mistakes help me improve. I practice English every day. Very good. Now let's discuss vocabulary. Vocabulary is important because words are the tools of communication. But many learners make one mistake. They try to memorize hundreds of words quickly. After a few days, they forget most of them. Instead of learning too many words at once, learn a few useful words daily and use them in sentences. For example, confident, practice, improve, success. Now make simple sentences. I feel confident. I practice every day. I improve slowly. Success comes with patience. This method helps vocabulary stay longer in your memory. Now repeat after me. I learn useful vocabulary. I use new words daily. My vocabulary grows every day. Excellent. Now let's talk about pronunciation. Many learners worry too much about sounding perfect. Remember this. Clear communication is more important than having a perfect accent. Focus on speaking clearly and naturally. One of the best ways to improve pronunciation is repetition. Listen carefully to native speakers. Pause the video. Repeat the sentences slowly. This helps your mouth and brain work together naturally. Now practice with me. I speak slowly and clearly. My pronunciation improves daily. I communicate with confidence. Very good. Now let's discuss reading. Reading helps you understand sentence structures and grammar naturally. You can read simple English stories, short articles, subtitles, or motivational quotes. Reading regularly improves your thinking in English, and when you begin thinking in English, speaking becomes easier and faster. Now repeat after me. I enjoy reading English. I learn from every sentence. My understanding improves every day. Excellent. Now let me tell you a meaningful story. There was once a young student who dreamed of speaking fluent English. At first, he could barely speak simple sentences. He felt shy and embarrassed. Sometimes people laughed at his mistakes, but he made a powerful decision. He decided to practice every single day. He listened to English videos every morning. He repeated sentences aloud. He learned new vocabulary daily. He practiced speaking in front of a mirror. Slowly, his confidence began to grow. At first, progress was small, but after many months, he could understand conversations more clearly. 1 year later, he could communicate confidently with people from different countries. Why did he succeed? Not because he was naturally talented, not because he had expensive courses. He succeeded because he stayed consistent and never gave up. This story teaches us an important truth. Consistency is stronger than talent. Now think about your own English journey. Are you practicing every day? Are you listening carefully? Are you speaking without fear? If not, today is the perfect day to begin. Do not compare yourself with fluent speakers. Focus on improving little by little every day. Small improvement every day creates great success in the future. Now take a deep breath and repeat after me slowly. I believe in myself. I continue learning. I become more fluent every day. I will achieve my goals. Excellent. Now let's understand another important truth. Motivation is helpful, but discipline is even more important. Some days you will feel excited. Other days you may feel tired or discouraged. But successful learners continue practicing even on difficult days. That is the power of discipline. Remember this. Daily practice creates fluency. Now repeat after me one last time. I stay disciplined. I never give up. I improve through practice. I become fluent with patience. Very good. At the end of this video, remember one powerful truth. English fluency is not magic. It is the result of daily practice, patience, courage, and consistency. So continue learning, continue practicing, and never stop believing in yourself. One day you will speak English confidently and proudly. Keep learning English, keep building confidence, and keep moving forward toward your dreams. Thank you again for watching this video and supporting this channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.